Have a good day everyone. Today we will see how to create a simple structural column plan view as dynamic block. Okay, let's see. Go home, rectangle, click, go dimensions, 225, enter, 225, enter. Okay, enter. Click here, go offset or enter, distance 25, enter, offset, layer change, rebar 1. Okay, then type F, fillet, enter, go radius 15 millimeter, enter, go polyline, click, select polyline, enter. Okay, now select polyline, go properties, global width 3 millimeter, enter. Okay, copy, type from, enter, click here, angle 45, enter. Okay, click here, exit, go mirror, select object, center point, click here, enter, go mirror, select object, center point, click, enter. Okay, now go polyline, enter, click here, angle 45, enter, click here, mirror, enter, click, enter, go match, enter, select match. Okay, then type block B, enter, block name column simple, column S, select object, select pick point, select block unit millimeters, open in block editor, tick. Okay, then go parameters, go linear, repeat linear, repeat linear. Okay, select parameter, go properties, number of grips 1, select distance 1 parameter, go properties, rename, width, enter, select distance 2, go properties, rename, length, enter, distance 3, select, go properties, rename, cover, enter, then go action, stretch, select cover parameter, start point, click here, stretch frame, select object, okay, enter, then go stretch, select cover parameter, click start point, stretch frame, select object, enter, go stretch, go properties, angle 0, go stretch 1, select angle 270, enter, again go action, stretch, select cover parameter, start point, click, stretch frame, select object, enter, go stretch to select, go properties, angle 90, enter, okay, again go action, stretch, select cover parameter, start point, click here, stretch frame, select object, enter, stretch 3, select, go properties, angle 180, enter, okay, now go action, stretch, select length parameter, start point, click here, stretch frame, select object, enter, go action, stretch, select width parameter, start point, click here, stretch frame, select object, enter, then go action, move, select width parameter, click start point, select cover parameter, enter, move, click, go properties, distance 0.5, enter, okay, close block editor, save changes, click, okay, let's see, length 250, enter, width 300, enter, covering 35, enter, okay, okay, thanks for watching, have a nice day.